Hey YouTube, I'm Manny. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you guys an overview, like I said before in the last video, of the old Husky 52 inch that I have for quite some time now. But we're going to do an update on what I have in there right now, and let's get to it. Alright, now let's get started. As you can see up top, I just have a bunch of stuff here. I'm running out of space. Got my Tecton little screwdriver punch thingamajigger here, Capri tools, torque extensions right here, quick access, some rags up here, electrical voltmeters here, snap-on charger, Milwaukee charger, some lube, tape, and these shouldn't be here but they're here. I gotta move those somewhere. Right here we'll start with the top chest. You can see got a bunch of lube on this side, an extra flathead, and some pens. Pretty much have this boot protected here because I plan on getting the M12 stubby really soon. I also have some hammers from Mac Tools. These are the anti-vibe one, and I have some gloves, some oil, rechargeable LED light here, and some gasket maker down here. Top drawer up here, what is it, air tool here, from Matco Tools. I have a couple box cutters, speakers, this here, screwdriver set. Here, this drawer is getting really messy. Got some hammers up here, electrical tape, zip ties, little screws for DIY homeowner stuff. Got my snap-on ratchet, Cobra, flex lock ratchet, some Blue Point stuff, Blue Point ratchet, and I have this here for when I do work on steel. Next drawer here, snap-on plier rack. I have a Tecton slip joint plier. I think this is a Vim Tools crimping plier. Another Tecton USA plier, 6-inch. Channel lock plier, 6-inch I believe. And these here are some USA crimping Mac Tools. Got 2 of those. Cable cutter from Capri Tools wire cutter. This is our Irwin diagonal cutter. Reminds me of the Nipix. Tecton crimping plier. Deep and short, SAE and metric. Blue Point sockets right here. I have Sunex semi-deep 12-point sockets here. This is Maxim bolt extractor, 3/8 inch. These bolts here are all extras Blue Point that I'm not using, so I'm just keeping those here for right now until I find a different place for them, or I might sell them. And I have some, what is this, some O2 sensor sockets here. This 3/8 drawer right here, I keep Tecton 3/8 impact. This is SAE short and deep. On this side I have Tecton deep metric, and then this is SAE Williams, and these are the chromes, USA made. Here a 1/4-inch Astro pneumatic swivels. This is Craftsman swivels, 3/8. Right here 3/8 inch gray pneumatic mids, 6-point, and these are Tecton short metric. Here are Blue Point e-torques. Here are semi-deeps snap-on metric, and these are the FDX short snap-on, and the SAE short from snap-on. And back here is a metric set of shorts from 20 to 24 metric, and I have 21 through 24 12-point for deeps right there, and I have some SAE ones back there. So that completes the chest here. Let's get into the drawer. The drawer is all 1/2 inch stuff. 32 and 33 up here. These are my Honda sockets right here from Lyle. If you don't have them, get them. This is for the crank bolts. Up here it's all metric Harbor Freight. Haven't gotten rid of them yet because no issues with any of them. Have some chromies Harbor Freight. Don't really use them because 1/2 inch I use on impact mostly. Some extra impacts back there. Milwaukee 1/2 inch, 2 batteries. Let me see. What else do I got? These are swivel sockets. I have a SAE in metric, and I have Capri Tools swivel adapters. This right here is a socket rail that I pretty much cut up, and I put some extra sockets. Right here at the end is a gear wrench 12-point. Second one is a USA Williams Impact 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. This one is a Pittsburgh swivel gear wrench, Allen Craftsman 16-point, and an SK. The last one is an SK spark plug socket. Here is a USA made Mac Tools extra long ratchet, and I have a breaker bar from Matco. And here inside this box is my torque wrench from Snap-on, digital torque wrench. This here is a little extension for when I change oil. When I change the oil, this magnet piece holds on to the oil drain plug. You can spin it and it'll hold on to the plug, so that way you don't get oil on your hands. I got 2 of them. Next drawer across, 1/2 inch Sunex short 10 to 36. This here is a Craftsman bolt extractors 17 to 21 flip sockets, cheapo wheel sockets, Nico Pro wheel sockets, and then back here are Mac Tools sockets. Alright, next drawer here is Snap-on extension set. This is a channel lock USA pick set. Easy rest wrench adapters, gear wrench ratchets, easy red wrenches, cheapo socket Allen socket set, Nico Impact Allen, an assortment of extensions from Blue Point to Craftsman to Harbor Freight. No issues with these. Wrenches, Nielsen double box in, Nielsen XL, Tecton stubbies, Astro pneumatic offset wrenches, Harbor Freight wrenches. This is a clutch alignment tool. This is Harbor Freight wrenches inside of here, offset, double box in. And these are my another plier rack from Harbor Freight to Nipex to Cobalt. Wire strippers. What else? A Proto punch and chisel set. And here, along with the Wilde punch adapter or punch holder here, vice grips assortment from Mac Tools, and an assortment of drill stuff here from Mac Tools, drills, drill bit adapters, and impact socket adapters, and extractors, drill extractors left and right, and that's pretty much there. And the bottom drawer, spray cans, Mac Tools brake tool set, a bunch of adapters, torch set here. And the last drawer, these are 3/4 inch sockets, SAE metric from Harbor Freight, no issues. Tecton SAE tap and die, and this is a Tecton screwdriver a little bit set here. It's handy to have around home. I use that frequently actually. And what is this? This is a what is it? Socket sensor set for sensors and stuff, different sensors. Got that from Powerbuilt. It's a cheap set, good to have. And that's everything that I have. That's everything that I have in this 52-inch box, which I do plan on upgrading soon. And you can see this humongous pry bar here. I am looking into another toolbox, and we'll see what kind of video I can get with another toolbox, hopefully very soon. Hey guys, pretty much that covers the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and comment on my video. Let me know what you guys think about the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.